Let me be playing this audio for Ambazonians to hear before I will start the live show, and I will still play the audio for Ambazonians to hear because some people just like to spread false information.
That's the thing, don't overworry. You don't overworry as I talk again for us. That's the church at the talk. I will take them for
Susu watching from Germany, my big brother from Germany. Welcome, my brother. Share as you join. Desmond Tutu Eze watching from Iran. Welcome, my brother. Right, watching far away from Iran. Martin Ngombako watching from Switzerland. Watching from Switzerland. Welcome, my brother. Welcome, my brother Martin. Yeah, fellow Southern Cameroonians, as he say, viewers them like to say, maybe we'll just start for talk, because when they join, they see say we'll never start show, they leave. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, welcome to this great show for tonight. Welcome. This one are the fearless, brutal Don Pacho, George Mbak. Welcome, welcome, watching from the great states of watching from the great nation of Germany. So, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. This one now una eye of the revolution, the fearless, brutal Don Pacho. It don't come for una today. At the come for una today, at the ever start first. Welcome Salai Jodone from Germany as well. The people for Germany are very, very patriotic citizens for Ambazonia. We want freedom. They fight for their freedom. They fight for their freedom. So, fellow Southern Cameroonians, at the start this live show for tonight, at the start, always, I would like to start for educate what people who know many of the nations of the world, if not all, 90 to 99%, the day for which what they call and say an international lockdown. And they're not there for that international lockdown because they want to be for that lockdown. They be for that lockdown because all of us, with the first of all take care for our lives. With the first of all take care for our lives. Lives be paramount. Life it be paramount to anything for the world. If you not get life, you not go for work. If you not get life, you not go for school. If you not get life, you not go fit even eat. You not go fit even take care of your own self. So fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, I go start as I always start my live shows. I ever start by educating with people them where they there for ground zero, with people for diaspora concerning this the coronavirus where it happen, where it take place now for the world. All we would hear the whole world they in chaos. They upside down because of this coronavirus. We people them, we educate them every day, every time. We try to make sure say make everybody it get that education. We don't talk. Make everybody it try for be indoors. Try for take care for your environs. Try for say make cleanliness now. It be your own motto. Your motto now it get for being a cleanliness. Cleanliness it get for being a the paramount thing where each and every Ambazonian it get for take care of. You get for make sure say you wash your hands every minute, every second. You wash your hands minute by minute, second by second. You touch anything, you wash your hands. Not only washing your hands, but washing your hands with soap. Washing your hands with soap. Now which way each and every Ambazonian he get for the do right now. Educate the people where they back home. They don't know much about this coronavirus. Many of them where they back home, they take them for joke. They know they understand the gravity for the illness because they don't know which way it take place for the world right now. You know what people them, they just be when we hear say lockdown for this coronavirus, they don't be used to for say now lockdown for Ambazonia. It no be lockdown for Ambazonia. Now lockdown because we want una safety first. We no go free Ambazonia and we no go get citizens them. where they go there for inside that Ambazonia for take care of the needs for Ambazonia. We need people for work for Ambazonia. We need people them where they go take care of the educational system for Ambazonia. We need people where they go be the military, where they go guide the territorial boundaries for Ambazonia. We need people where they go take care of the health sector. We need our doctors. We need our nurses. We need every Ambazonia. Even the palm wine tappers them. We need them because the people go need for drink that palm wine. And if palm wine tapper is not there, people not go fit drink the palm wine because palm wine tappers it no go be. So we need each and every citizen for Ambazonia. Now why that way we educate una? Say make una the wash una hands every day, minute by minute, seconds by seconds, so that una go fit take care of una immediate hygiene. Make this coronavirus contaminate una. Make each and everybody make sure say it get his own mask. Make sure say you get your own mask. As you join this live show, make sure say you share. Make sure say you tell your neighbor say don't pass your day life. Make sure say you call anybody where you know for say make it come get this education with me at the bring for una today. We know we don't wake up we hear some nonsense where these people, this political non-entity them where they there for inside Ambazonia, where they don't self-appoint themselves, or the government for La Republique, it don't appoint them, say they be city mayors, they be councillors, they be MPs them for inside our territory. We don't hear the city mayor where not just they turn over for government delegate for come put with something nonsense where they call and say city mayor, where it don't announce something very catastrophic. Say when they go to spray town, make people for Bamenda, make them no fear, make they come open their shops. We want to tell that useless non-entity where call say it be city for inside northern zone for Bamenda say which way if he think or he feel about the people, he need for the ask the colonial government for La Republique make it send medical equipments for inside Bamenda, where he go fit take care for coronavirus patient them. If they get the doctors them, they test one person where he get coronavirus, they go fit for say make they treat that person. They not go do test. They go to send the blood test for colonial capital for Yaoundé before they go do the test for send them back. Maybe the person he go don't die without knowing the illness we get, without the doctors them knowing the right treatment for give that patient. So if the city mayor, the so-called colonial city mayor for Bamenda, and they want them for inside the southern and northern zone for inside Ambazonia, they feel the pains for we people, the things that they want to take care for we people, make the ask for medical equipments them, make the day for inside all the hospitals them for inside the 13 counties for inside Ambazonia. From Kwakwa to Mbonge, to Fako, to Meme, to Boyo, to Bui, to Mezam, to Ndonga Mantun, to all the 13 counties of the territorial boundaries of Ambazonia, it therefore be equipped by medical equipment them, where they get right for treat our citizens them. Because our citizens them, they under their colonial dictatorial regime, where they forcefully rule our people them without their consent. So if they want to forcefully rule our people without the people's consent, they need for take care for those people, their health care, they need for take care for those people, their education, they need for take care for those people, their well-being for Ambazonia. So fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, we don't hear about these French doctors them, where they come up, they talk for their TV station, say they want carry their virus test or their virus vaccine, say coronavirus, for go test them for inside Africa. And we know, we the people for Africa, we the people for Ambazonia, we the people where we own our territory, we know say coronavirus is not there for insight with territory. It's not there for Africa. If they want to test their vaccine, make them go for Italy. Every day close to 2,000 people they die for Italy. Italians them need that vaccine more than the citizens them for Africa. The people for Spain, they need that vaccine more than the people them for Africa. So Africans them, we the people where we own our territory, we say no to anybody where you want carry vaccine from Europe to Africa. The people for Africa, they no get coronavirus. They no be any of these things then. When Africa be tested for Liberia, for the Ebola disease, they no be take vaccine for Ebola, they test them for the people for Europe. They no be test vaccine for Ebola for European them. They be test vaccine for Ebola for the people for inside Liberia, the people for inside Africa. So why today France, America and the European world at large, they stand for watch this hypocrisy where they take place for the world. Where today we see coronavirus, it be spread all over Europe, France in particular, France, Spain, Italy. They know they want to test the vaccine for coronavirus for these countries. They want to go test those vaccines for inside Africa. We say no to that, and we go keep on for saying no to that. We no go accept. Make they carry that their nonsense virus. They carry them for inside our territory. We the people for Africa, we determine what we want and what we need for inside we country and inside we territory. Many people there for that for France, the doctors there for Europe, may they take this vaccine. May they take this vaccine to Italy, Spain, and France, and to the United States of America, where it on the top league for this coronavirus. No be the people of Africa. Africans do not need any vaccine. Africans do not want to be vaccinated with any vaccine in the name of protecting coronavirus. We don't want it, and we will not accept it. And for the citizens therefore inside Africa, we know, so we get corrupted leaders. We know, so we get this old papa them, these people them where we know say, now people the way they don't rule for decades. This old papa them, and they call them say ancestors. These ancestors them, they go accept. They go collect money for these white people for say they can inject una. Because they rule una, they don't love una. They rule una, they don't like una. They think now about their belly. They think now about where they will chop. They think now about them financial benefits where it go help only them and their families. These ancestors them, they go accept this vaccine and they go talk to me they can vaccinate una for Africa. But the citizens them for inside Africa, make una take note. Una get for reject. I mean reject, total rejection of anything where it concern vaccine for inside we territory. We get for reject anything, I mean total rejection of anything where it get for enter for inside Africa. We no go accept any vaccination. As from now, make the people for inside Africa, whether you be Nigerian, whether you be Kenyan, whether you be Ambazonian, whether you be La Republic citizen, whether you be Burkina Faso, whether you be Congo Democratic, whether you be whosoever, I say total rejection of any vaccine where it enter for inside what territory. Because Africa is for Africans and Africa has to grow. We need to solve our problems ourselves. We the African people, we need to solve our problem. We need to sort out ourselves. We know they want bring we vaccine. The thing say how we don't survive malaria. We survive malaria for Africa with our fever grass. We boil fever grass. We boil guava leaf. We boil plantain leaf. All together we drink them. We survive. They call this coronavirus. They know what you don't go through for Africa. People in there for Africa, they don't get potable water. People in there for Africa, they don't get where to sleep. People in there for Africa, they don't get food to eat. So if the white people, the white boys, the Jacobina regime, them, they want to solve the problem of Africa, make them look at Africa, make them not enter, say they want to solve our problem, make them leave Africa for Africans. Make them leave Africa for Africans. Africa is for Africans. If the European them, they love we so much, say they want help we, make them leave Africa for Africans. Because only we the Africans will go solve our problems. So make them not carry any vaccine. No vaccine. Say they want take vaccine for go inside our territory, for go vaccinate people against coronavirus. People for Italy, people for Spain, people for Germany, people for France, people for the United States of America, they need that vaccine more than the people for inside Africa. Those people, they need that vaccine more than us, the Africans. We, the Africans, we don't need it and we will not accept it. We will reject it and we will say no to any European manipulation. We will not be guinea pig. We want to go test them for inside lab. We not be una guinea pig. We want to go test we for inside una lab. We say no and we say total rejection to that manipulation. Thank you, fellow Southern Cameroonians. I go enter for inside the matter where it bring me here today for this Southern Cameroon issue, inside the Ambazonian issue. We need for understand. Say these white boys, they bring we all types of this thing them. God today, the TB Joshua's, the Prophet Jeremiah's and the rest, they don't run. They say that they advertise make people buy hand sanitizer. Their anointing oil and their anointing water no get use again. Coronavirus don't open them. So African that we need for open our eyes. We need for learn, we need for accept the truth, and we need for stand by the truth and fight for the truth. As you join, you share. As you join, you share. Raúl. Por favor, dame agua, por favor. Yes, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, today, last week, I be give una the Gospel of John chapter Mary verse 1. Many people be ask me, say, why are the title na the name them for we African, the chapter then a chapter for African names. We are Africans and we will remain Africans. We will never change to be Europeans. The African names where we will get, now the name them we will get for accept them. The name for this gospel, now the gospel of John, chapter Lum, verse Mary, verse Lum, Tungwa. So my people, one thing they were with the looking for this thing. I go start by playing this audio. I want to play this audio. Make Ambazonian then listen this audio. Make Ambazonian then listen this audio before I enter for this topic proper. Because they say, till I see, yeah, mob must talk because Bele it no be store. I say till I see, yeah, Bele mob must talk am because my Bele it no be store. Bele no go ever be store no one day. My people, we don't hear these people them. They don't wake up, they only shout Kurugwe. How many people don't die for Kurugwe? Where the Kurugwe na only manipulation. Una share now because they enter for the topic proper. Una invite people now. They say Kurugwe. We know the support say what AGF to do for Kurugwe is good. AGF need for educate the fighters them for Kurugwe. May they take care for the population. Gracias. May they take care for the population. May they take care for the population for Kurugwe. Make them not molest the population for Kurgwe. But it no mean say every day for Bui. Now AGF, they say, whoa, AGF, wait, AGF, go for Yaoundé, come back for Douala, go for Kumba, come back for Boya. For Momo, AGF, go for Yaoundé, oh, climb up for Wisai to come down for Boya. With the only year AGF, una educate, una soldiers. But, before I play this audio proper, some manipulators, some fraudsters them, they did wake up every day. Every day. They did lie about AGF. They did lie about AGF. They did lie against AGF. Now they instigate the infighting. AGF don't there for Kurgwe for the past 3 to 4 years. AGF there for Kurgwe. AGF no born solar system for Kurgwe. AGF no born solar system for Kurgwe. Now today, where AGF go born solar system where it be the help them. Now today where AGF immediately these manipulators they enter for Kurgwe. First their target they go born solar system. They say na AGF. They say na AGF born. When they want talk, they say when Mark Barata he don't write BB book. I support that Mark Barata writing. When Mark Barata writes say we don't forget about the 23 where they die for Bui. The 23 people where they die for Bui. Now we talk all social media na Kugwe. How many people don't die for Kugwe? No one. Una teach una want go for AGF Jakam. AGF back up now because AGF be fool. AGF no be fool because AGF no one fight una. AGF no the fight na a fellow citizen them. AGF the fight na la Republique. La Republique na the enemy. When they want talk, they go start the only talk say AGF do this, AGF do that, AGF do this, AGF do that. What the AGF do? What the AGF do? When I woke up Mark Barata say 23 boy them where they lost. 23 boy them where they lost for Bui. When I don't wake up motive now, say may they bring the name them for the boy they where they be die. May they bring the name them. Say na manipulation. When they ask say Efang, he come on for outside. Now when I release Efang, when I hear this audio, from Chacha, when I hear this audio from Chacha.
Yeah, when I come back again for now the thing don't over worry. You don't over worry as I talk again for us. Now Chacha, now still Chacha the talk. I will take them for me the investigate. Big number don't run. That means big number don't run. As I did for all them. I don't not picking it.
Una hear fine. Una don't hear fine. Chacha the talk say he take them for make investigation. Big number run. Today una the talk say big number resurrect. Yes, big number resurrect. He be run. Now it is na Chacha. Late Chacha. He the talk. Now late Chacha the talk so. Say the big number be run. Who said the remaining 23? See, if you want to make investigation, they run. Today, when they can ask dirty question. Dirty question them. When they ask them. When they ask this question them, who are you people deceiving? Who are you people deceiving? When they deceive now the Amazonian people, or when they deceive now La Republique? Una di deceive na una own citizen them or una di deceive na La Republique? Why do you people like manipulating us like this? We not support what AGF do. Because even they talk when they say AGF do this, AGF never do nothing. AGF has not killed anybody. Since this revolution start, AGF never kill nobody. Now when they go for AGF, you come, go attack them. And when we go attack them, when they retaliate, why will not wait till it happen? Wait till it happen. Why are we so wicked to ourselves? Why are we so wicked to ourselves? Now this commander where he take action for Uku. This commander where he take action for Uku. He get for la Republic military for he come. Now either today we warriors don't kidnap commander for Uku. Who are we fighting for? We warriors, who are you people defending? Who are you fighting for? Are you people fighting for Ambazonia or you are fighting for something else? Who are you people fighting for? May we ask ourselves this question. Who are we fighting for, fellow Ambazonians? Who are we fighting for? Say, they go stand, they go, why would I go kidnap man where he put that ammo car? He kill councilor them. He kill colonial councilors. We warriors go kidnap them. Who are you people for? Are you people fighting to defend Ambazonia or you are fighting to defend La Republique? Who are you people fighting for? Why hypocrisy? Why would you fight among ourselves every day? People go to carry action. Una dey kill them. Una don't shout, no pass for Fako, no pass for Fako. Fako no dey respect country Sunday again. And nothing never happened for Fako. For the past close to 8 months today, we never hear one gunshot. We come up for Fako. I say one gunshot, you never come up for Fako. Some people they ask me I replay that audio. Now the audio, this man replay am.
Yeah, when I come back now the thing don't over worry. They don't over worry as they talk again for us. Now still church at the talk. I will take them for me the investigate. Big number don't run. That means big number don't run. As I did for all them. I don't not picking the take I'm sure I know the end, but the information will remain. I say big number don't run. Big number don't run.
Now in that church they clearly talk am. Say big number run. But today, which you una do? Una understand the talk say which una understand say may they bring name for the 23. Say who's a Efang come out. Efang run from the beginning. No be me at the top. Una don't hear for Ojo. Na Chacha talk. Let Chacha may his own recipes. Chacha na let Chacha talk. No be Don Pasho the talk. Who are you people fighting for? Every day they pick. This pick they come out only with conspiracy theory. Conspiracy theory upon conspiracy. Lies upon lies. Mark Barata don't come back for Facebook. Mark Barata they preach the truth. But when I know why hear the truth, when I attack Mark Barata, Ambazonians, it baffles me. Say people when they live for diaspora, people when they live for developed countries, for Europe, for America, for Dubai, for developed countries, where they see what way they do with leaders and for their various countries, they be unable to hold their leaders accountable. It's unbelievable. Now, curse. Is it a curse to us Africans? Because this is not a problem of Ambazonians. Is it a curse? Is it a curse to us Africans? Is it a curse? So we see truth. We see truth in front of us. We deny for accept the truth. Do you people think? Do you guys think you love Sako more than me? Some of you just came in today. You just came in today. And you are supporting Sako so blindly. I supported Sako. I fought for my trip to Buea. I did everything for everybody to contribute for my trip to Buea. I was being called all sorts of names. I did everything. I took risk. I traveled across borders without documents. I went to Germany. I went to Italy. I went to France fighting for people to come on my trip to Buea. I supported Sako. I gave everything. I gave everything I could give as a man to support Sako. And today when I stand to speak the truth, you guys will come to call me names. Do you guys love Sako more than me? I tell you, fellow Ambazonians, I could have taken money from Sako I could have taken position. I could have accepted the position being offered to me by Sako. But I refused because I love you, Ambazonians. I love you, Ambazonians. I want our freedom. I yearn for freedom. I yearn. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm thirsty for that freedom. I need that freedom. So I will never support. I will never support anybody that will manipulate the citizens of Ambazonia. I will never support anybody that will stand and embezzle money that was meant for the revolution. I will never stand to support somebody who is insulting somebody who is in jail for your sake, for my sake. I will never stand to support somebody who uses the name of God to manipulate citizens of a nation that is yearning for freedom. Our people are crying for that freedom. They want that freedom. They are begging for that freedom. That is why they are sacrificing their all for this revolution. That is why they are contributing money every day, because they want their freedom. I see people being manipulated on ground zero. That the diaspora is manipulating them. The diaspora is not manipulating you, my fellow countrymen. The diaspora is fighting for that freedom, fellow countrymen. The diaspora needs to come back home, fellow Southern Cameroonians. We have the bit that we can take care of our immediate families. We have the little that we can take care of our mothers. We have the little that we can take care of our fathers. We have the little that we can take care of our own children. We have the little that we can eat. We can take care of our own self. But do you think we have that much that every day we stand to contribute to you guys? Do you think we have that much that we stand every day to give everything that we have because we want freedom? Do you think that we hate you? That we will give you our exercise every day? Do you know what of us go through every day just because we want this freedom? Rise up, my people. Stand up for the truth, fellow Ambazonians. Stand up and take your freedom into your hands. Stand up and say no to power mongers. Stand up and say no to politicians. Stand up and fight as a revolutionaries. Stand up and be that revolutionaries that you have to be. Stand up and speak truth to power. Stand up and say enough is enough. You are in the diaspora. They call you names. They are being racist to you. You cannot do the jobs that you went to school to do. You cannot carry up those things that you used to do back home. Many of us are well educated. Many of us, we yearn to see that place that we can call home. We mourn to see that place we can call home. Why can't the people of Ambazonia rise up to fight as one man? Why can't we say no to these so-called leaders? Why can't we say no to power mongers? We did not start this revolution because we wanted Ayok Tabe to be our president. We did not start this revolution because we wanted Sako to be our president. We did not start this revolution because we wanted Azaba Cho to be our president. We did not start this revolution because we wanted Akwanga to be our president. We started this revolution because we wanted our freedom. Why is it that every day on social media, when you come on social media, you see Sako is my president, Siseko is my president, Ayaba is my president? Is that why you are fighting for your freedom, Ambazonian? Is that why you started this revolution? Look at those children dying every day back home. Look at those young boys and girls holding those weapons back home every day. Listen to them when they are talking. They don't know who is Sako. They don't know who is Sisiku. They don't know who is Ayaba. What they know is freedom. What they yearn for is freedom. Why can't we stand up and say no to these leaders? Why can't we unite ourselves? There is a saying that when two elephants are fighting, it is the grass that suffers. Those people at the top there, that they claim they are at the top, they are fighting every day and we are suffering. Our children are dying back home every day. Our mothers are dying back home every day. Our brothers and sisters are in the refugee camps, they don't have to eat. Our mothers are in the refugee camps, they don't have to eat. We have internally displaced. We have those who are in the La Republic. Why can't we as an Ambazonians, why can't we as Ambazonians stand up and say no to politics in a revolution? This is a revolution, my people. This is not a political jamboree. This is a revolution. Revolutionaries talk about guns. Revolutionaries talk about defending your homeland. Revolutionaries fight for an ideology. Revolutionaries do not fight for power. Revolutionaries do not care who is leading the revolution. Revolutionaries stand up and say they want their freedom. They don't care who is leading them. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, I am just that humble servant. I am just that Don Pacho who has stood up to speak truth to Ambazonians. I mourn for my fellow countrymen. I cry every day when I come on social media. Enough of this nonsense. Enough of this political brouhaha. Enough of this political jamboree. Enough, Ambazonians. Stop this and fight for your freedom. Stop this and you will gain your freedom in just some few months. If you can stand up and say no to any leader, if you can stand up and say we want our freedom, then you will know where to give your money to. You will know when to stop giving your money to that person that you trusted. This revolution is for our freedom. I reiterate, this revolution is for our freedom. This revolution is not a political warfare. It is not for political aggrandizement. We don't need these people to come and be making speeches every day. We need those who can buy guns. We need those who can buy weapons to defend homeland. If you know those who can buy guns, go and give them your money. If you know those who can defend homeland, go and give them your money. We don't need those who will stand on social media and tell you to kill your own fellow fighter. We don't want them. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, I leave each and every one of us to our consciences. Can we fight for our freedom? Can we stop this political? Can we stop this infighting? Can the youths of Ambazonia rise up? Can the youths of Ambazonia rise up? I believe so much in us. We can do it. We can do it. Yes, we can do it. Have a blessed and fruitful day. Long live the Federal Republic of Ambazonia, and short live the revolution. This is your eye of the revolution, the fearless, brutal Don Pasho. I stand for one Ambazonia. I stand for no leader. I stand to defend my territory. And I pledge my allegiance to my nation and to my flag, Ambazonia. Thank you, and have a blessed and fruitful weekend. God bless you all.